Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can improve the SEO on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I would recommend is using third-party software such as the Google Search Console to actually help with SEO on your site. You can easily do this by actually going into the settings in the bottom left, then going into third-party tools, and selecting connected accounts. Select connect account, and you can select the search console right over here. It's going to open up a new tab where you're going to need to log in, so keep that in mind. I'll just disconnect it for the time being, but yeah, you can use that. You can use any of these other images that might help you, or these other third-party processes if you think they'll help you. And yeah, that's one of the things you can use for SEO. You can also go ahead and add any extensions which might be able to help you with SEO if you find any that you find interesting. And other than that, what you can do to actually edit your SEO, go into products and services, go into selling tools, and you might be able to find some customization selling tools as here as well. And that is another one of them which you might want to try. And the last and final option you have is to go into, I'm pretty sure, analytics. And yeah, you have search keywords over here at the top, and you'll need to connect to the search console to make sure you're able to edit them. But once you are able to edit them, you can edit the search keywords and all the options over here to allow you for, customizing the site in a more SEO friendly manner. You also have some settings over here. For example, if I click here, if I go to marketing, you have SEO appearance right over here, and you can change the search keywords. You can set up using the SEO checklist. You can hire an SEO expert, and you can see the appearance of the searches for things on your site. As you can see, there is the SEO title format, which you can easily change later if you want. %S, I'm pretty sure it is in regards to regex, if I'm not mistaken. So you might need to edit the regex here. Might not be the case, but I don't know. And yeah, you can also add an SEO site description, which is also useful, but that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.